Welcome to the world of DIY self-care. Today, we're crafting a natural homemade deodorant using nourishing ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, arrowroot powder, and magnesium hydroxide. The magic truly begins when we add our blend of essential oils, tea tree, bergamot, and lemon, each imparting its unique aroma and properties. To start, gather your ingredients: shea butter, coconut oil, arrowroot powder, magnesium hydroxide, tea tree oil, bergamot oil, lemon oil. Next, in a double boiler on low heat, gently warm the combined ingredients until they blend harmoniously. Stir occasionally to maintain a smooth consistency. Once adequately blended, remove the mixture from heat. Carefully pour your fragrant creation into clean deodorant containers, filling them to the brim. Allow the deodorant to cool and solidify completely. Congratulations! You've crafted your very own homemade deodorant enriched with natural goodness and your chosen signature scent. Remember, experimenting with different essential oil combinations can help you find your unique fragrance. Stay fresh, stay confident, and embrace your inner DIY superstar with this personalized natural deodorant.